over than under.
Over by 1.5 pounds. I thought you were all, like, precise. Whatever, we'll just save it out till next week.
We ship it as is.
What are we, running a charity? Come on, man, we're gonna take it out.
Leave it. One batch, one ship. Stop complicating things.
Why are you purposely giving him free meth? These bitches are bleeding us enough already.
You are paid extraordinarily well. Why can't you just
hey.
appreciate that?
Hey, I've been crunching numbers, all right?
Oh, you've been crunching numbers.
Yeah, I've been crunching numbers, and I don't gotta be a mathematician to figure out that this deal you made is bullshit.